are some of your favorite hobbies and interests? I know I've got mine. So for this video, I'm going to show you how important it is to find your hobbies and interests, and also at the same time to spread out to find some potential new hobbies and interests. The way to do that is I like to think of it as a giant web where everything is all connected. Here's what I mean. Someone who's interested in animation requires filmmaking. Filmmaking requires writing, and writing requires books, or they're connected to that too. Books, writers can also do movies. Writers can also do TV shows, and all that kind of stuff too. Going from chicken strips to fish sticks. So that's the way I kind of think of it too. But does eating count as a hobby? I can't remember. Maybe it counts as more of an interest kind of thing too, because there's quite a lot of good cuisines out there. But I'd probably say cooking counts as a hobby too. So for someone that loves food, maybe they'll end up cooking for a hobby, and that can be used for as a job for anyone to be aspiring master chefs. So that's why I kind of would say too. I would even argue saying that video games and books are very similar to one another. One of the similarities involved the player and the reader. They choose when and how to proceed, whether it be turning the page or pressing a variety of colorful buttons. So that's why I kind of think. And video games do tell some narratives, even all the way back in the arcade days, where people can make their own stories based on what they see and what they play. So same thing with books. They got the stories in. It's up to the players and to the readers to proceed in their own pace. So I was kind of thinking about that. I was, visually, I think of, players and readers getting along very well, and players get to try out books for a change, and readers get to try video games for a change. Both of them may not be experienced about it, but at least they are trying. And who knows? They might become their new favorite interests or their new favorite hobbies. You just never know unless you give it a try. Tyler McNamer of AutismWorks. It's time to get to work.